So even during the US and Iran war, how are retail investors making money? So on 10th March 2026, Cabinet cleared Jal Jeevan Mission 2.0 with a project's worth of rupees 8.8 lakh crore. So what happens in Jal Jeevan Mission? Basically in Jal Jeevan Mission 2.0, it to strengthen the rural drinking water service delivery across the country. Companies which are basically making pumps, pipes have gone above more than 5% just today. Like we can see, this Oswald pumps has gone up by 5.85% today. If I look at Shakti pumps, it has gone up by 7.81%. We can see here. If I look at Welspun Corp, which makes pipes, it has gone up by 2.61% today. So basically, the thinking is that fundamentally, if we also analyze what's happening in the country with major updates from the government, that's also there's a real sign to make money by investing in companies which are associated with that update. Like here, what we have seen that with Jal Jeevan Mission, which all companies which are going up. Now, say one more example, like because of US and Iran war, recently the gas prices are increasing. Now, if we know that gas prices are increasing because of the supply shortage, all the companies which are related to gas, like Adani Total Gas, it has increased by more than 19% today. Then if I take a look at Gujarat Gas, it has increased by 4.22% today. So even during the war, investors or retail investors who are doing their proper research, they are easily making money.